Hey guys, welcome back. If you're searching for a portable gaming console that combines Android gaming, retro emulation, and modern features without costing a fortune, then you should definitely take a look at the MANGMI AIR X. At the heart of this handheld is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, providing smooth performance for Android games, classic console emulation, and everyday entertainment. The device features a beautiful 5.5-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and responsive touch controls. One feature that gamers will appreciate is the built-in active cooling fan. Unlike many handheld devices that can become hot during long sessions, the Air X helps maintain stable performance and keeps temperatures under control. The console also includes stylish RGB joysticks, giving it a modern gaming appearance while adding a touch of customization. Running on Android 14, the Air X gives you access to the Google Play Store, allowing you to download games, streaming apps, emulators, and cloud gaming services with ease. Power comes from a large 5,000 mAh battery, providing hours of gaming on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the 15W USB-C fast charging helps get you back in the game quickly. Despite all these features, the device remains lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry whether you're traveling, commuting, or relaxing at home.